Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well today. The reason for this video is I want to show you the room that we have here at Loboc River Resort. This is the premier river view room with bathtub. Alright, I had to say that slow to make sure I got it straight. Alright, so here we are, coming in through the main door. Go ahead and close that behind. And this is it. This is a very large room. There's a split inverter type air conditioning system in here. Some tables, put your stuff. Refrigerator. We have it packed full of water, a few candy bars, full-size wardrobe. I think there is a safe box in here. Yep. Safe lock box if you need something like that. Back up a little bit here. Nice little bit of wall deco. Hot pot with your cups and your coffee and your glasses and water and all that good stuff. More shelf area down there. My laptop computer. Really good sized bathroom. And of course the shower area. We checked in here yesterday, so yeah, this I guess is our second day here. So we've already used the shower. It works good. Yeah, hot water works great. Bathtub is out there. So this is kind of cool. You can stand in here and take a shower, and then everybody out there can see you if you pull the pull the curtain open. It's the outside patio deck area, and of course you can access that area right through here. So if you want to jump out of the tub and run into the shower, or vice versa, you can do that. Okay, that's the bathroom. Back out into the main living area. It's actually really large. I was telling my wife, this is like a ballroom in here. You'd have a dance. So, alright. Plenty of lighting. It's very nice and bright in here. King size bed. Comfortable. Slept on it last night. I would say anywhere between a 43 inch TV is my guess. Could be a little bigger, but definitely not smaller. And then this wonderful view. This is just gorgeous. So, all right, a little bit of lighting up there. Come out here. Bathtub area. You can draw the curtain there, or leave it open if it's dark enough, where nobody can see you sitting in the tub. So there's that. That's your river view right there. It's really peaceful out here. Yeah, you hear a little bit of, a little bit of noise in the background, but people still got to live their lives, right? There's the room from the room view, looking from outside. And then you can kind of come around the corner here, kind of like a little L shape. And then you're right back to your main door coming into the room. One more pass through the room. I don't think there's anything I'm leaving out. That's pretty much it. It's a nice room. I'll probably do a video of the outside area of this room. I don't want to make this too long. I'll show you the pool and all that good stuff, so be looking for that if you're seriously considering coming out this way. You'll have this room video to look at, and then I'll also show you like the pool and stuff, because there's actually a very nice swimming pool in this section of the resort. So anyway, there you have it. Let me see if I get this straight again. The premier river view room with bathtub. And there you have it, folks. This is it. Beautiful place. We're staying here 6 nights, and we already did 1 night, so 5 more nights. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you again soon. Take care now. Bye.